Hi everyone, Pradeep here from TGT and welcome to another macOS update video. macOS Big Sur 11.4 release candidate is here. Both developer and public beta versions are available. This RC release came in around 2.72 GB on this 2017 MacBook Air, and depending on the version you are on, this should vary. Release candidate is the version which Apple actually releases to the public later on, so it should be the final build for the macOS Big Sur 11.4. Along with that, Apple also released iOS 14.6 release candidate, iPadOS 14.6 RC, watchOS 7.5 RC, and tvOS 14.6 RC. As you can see, this is a 2017 MacBook Air. The previous beta 3 build number was 20F5065A. And before I update, the available free space was around 69.4 GB. So let us continue with the update now. Now the update is complete. Here is the new build number. It's 20F71. This is the final build of this version. After the update, the available storage space is around 66.8 GB. So around 3 GB space used up. As I always mention after a release candidate version, that this is your chance if you want to get away from the beta testing in future. Simply go to settings and then software update. Then select details here and just click restore. This will remove the beta profile, restart your device, and from now on you will only receive public releases. As this is a release candidate version, so it compiles all the beta level changes that were made previously. I have separate videos for all beta stages, so do check those out if you want to learn about the new features and changes as they were implemented. In iOS 11.4, there is an update for the App Store. This is related to app privacy details. Changes are there in the podcast app as podcast subscriptions are coming. Few new changes are being added to the Apple TV app as well. It was done in the last beta. Big changes are coming to Apple Music app as well. Dolby Atmos, spatial audio, and lossless audio is coming to Apple Music pretty soon. macOS Big Sur 11.4 also adds supports for graphics card based on the AMD Navi RDNA2 architecture and is expected to add support for the new Hello screen that we are supposed to get with the new iMacs. Apart from that, this version also fixes a lot of known issues as well, such as bookmarks getting hidden in the Safari app, some websites doesn't display correctly after the Mac wakes up, keywords may not be included in the exporting of a photo from a photo app, preview may become unresponsive while searching PDF documents, and 16-inch MacBook may hang while playing Civilization 6. I will discuss it in depth when it releases to the public. The performance is as usual. I haven't noticed any changes there. Battery life till the beta 3 was okay. I get around 6 to 7 hours of battery life out of this device. Though it depends on the tasks you are performing, I have to say for an older device like this, battery is satisfactory. If you're interested about the benchmark scores, here are the scores for the Geekbench 5. As you can see, it's 680 for the single core and 1529 for the multi-core. As you can see, this is for the latest build number of the 11.4 macOS Big Sur version. So should you update? If you are on beta 3, then you can definitely update to this version because this is the release candidate. But if you are on 11.3.1, then there is no reason to update now as the beta stages are already over. We can expect macOS Big Sur 11.4 releasing to the public pretty soon. So this is my experience so far. Thank you for watching. Do hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.